Hello! Today we are doing a quick fix for my broken shift knob. So here's where the shift knob is supposed to be. So the shifter is this piece that you use to change gears, and obviously it doesn't usually look like this. This is the inside metal lever and some plastic holding stuff, and usually this guy will be sitting over this, but this has decided to break on me. So what happened was, sometimes I park my car under the sun and it gets really hot, and this rubbery plasticky thing started melting, and he started chipping off bit by bit. Just bits started falling off, the whole thing started cracking, and then the whole piece just disintegrated one day. So I've been driving around for the last 2-3 days with just this, which is obviously not very ergonomic. So I went on BYBgo as usual and started looking for a replacement shift knob, and I got this nice heavy aluminum shift knob. So it comes in a funny little box. It says Momo, that's the brand, and these are universal shift lever adapters. Here's a better view. It's basically rubber sleeves in different sizes. The outside diameter is the same, that goes into the replacement shift knob, but the inner diameter you define the one with the correct size. Maybe this one. So the replacement is actually 3 parts. You can just unscrew this, goes over the top. So you might notice there's some holes here, and it comes with 4 little screws. So you put them in here to tighten this up.